Okay, Jaeger decided to dig up a den of critters, and yeah, that was last night. Put them back in, covered them up, and hoped that Mama would come back. But I put it so I could tell if she was going to come back or not. And looked this evening, and Mama has not been back. So, guess what? Jaeger has babies to raise. Let me show you. Well, we've not. Don't know if you can see. Oh, there they go. We have 5 tiny rabbits. I'll put them in light. We have 5 little rabbits. They've got hair. Their eyes are not open. But aren't they just the cutest little things? I just couldn't leave them outside, so now we have 5 little baby bunnies. So this is my finger. That's how big they are. Okay, let me grab one. Just gonna give them some milk here. I have kitten milk replacer to give them. Oops. There we go. Oh. They bounce. They're bunnies. They bounce. They bounce and bounce. So there you go. These are our new addition. We're just like a little orphanage now. We've got some babies. There you go. These are our new kids. Alright. Cute, cute.